Hey guys, this is JC. I hope you're having an amazing Thursday. I wanted to make a quick announcement that tomorrow we're going to be doing a workshop on how to do command, how to use command, how to set it up, how to navigate through the different applets like contacts, opportunities, campaigns, doing the website, doing landing pages, doing campaigns. So it's going to be very intense, very hands-on. So for those of you who want to participate in this workshop, I will strongly advise you to RSVP or register. As a matter of fact, here in this message, there's going to be a link where you can register. So I hope to see you, many of you, tomorrow at our market center in Weston. It's going to be from 6 p.m. until 8 p.m. Thank you guys, and I'll see you there. Bye-bye.